Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I am going to show you how to create a collet catcher in SolidWorks. So keep watching this video till end. But before continuing further, it is requested that you please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon for all upcoming videos notification. Sketch on front plane. Now draw center line. Start it from origin horizontally. Now draw another sketch by using line. Now make some relations. First of all, press and hold Ctrl key and select both of these lines and make them equal. Next step, select both of these points and make them vertically align. Now select both of these lines and make relation collinear. Now select both of these lines and make relation parallel. Now define these distances 0.5 millimeter, similarly 0.5 millimeter. Now define total length 50 millimeter. Again define the diameter for this point, which is 94 millimeters. And the diameter for this line is 42 millimeters. Now select both of these lines and make relation collinear. Now define this diameter. It is 100 millimeter. Now define this length. It is 10 millimeter. Now we need these cuts in the mid of whole part. So for that, draw a center line and start it from this midpoint to this line. Now another center line and draw it from this midpoint to this midpoint. Select this line and make relation vertical. Now click on this point and then this point, make relation vertical. So our sketch is fully defined now. Select this line and click on features tab, then select revolved boss base command and simply press OK button. Now click on this face and sketch, make normal to, draw a circle. In the left side, select for construction geometry and press OK button. Another circle on the quadrant. Now define them. The PCD will be 70 millimeters and drill size is 13.5 millimeters. Go to Features tab and select Extruded Cut command. Drag this arrow and press OK button. Now click on this arrow below the linear pattern button and select circular pattern. Click on this box as pattern axis and select this circular edge. Type the quantity, which is 6, and press OK button. Now we need 3 more circles or holes for jack bolts. So again click on this face and then select sketch. Make normal to, draw circle, start it from origin to the origin of this circle. Select for construction geometry and press OK button. Now draw center line and start it from this origin to the origin of part and end it on the origin of another circle. Now select trim entities command and trim it. Press OK button and draw another circle from this quadrant of arc. Define it 12 millimeters. Press OK button and then select Extruded Cut command and press OK button. Again select this face and then sketch. Draw a circle from the origin of this circle. Now define it 13.5 millimeter. Extrude it up to 25 millimeter. Now again select circular pattern command and in the features to pattern select both of these extrusions, extrusion cut 2 and 3. Now select this box pattern axis and click on this circular edge. So quantity is 3. Now press OK button. Now I am going to add cuts. So sketch on this face, make normal to, similarly draw a circle. For construction geometry, press OK button. Draw a center line. Now trim the circle. Draw a center line from origin to this quadrant and so on. Now click both of these lines and make relation collinear. Now draw midpoint line and draw it like this. One line on the origin, select both of these lines and make relation parallel. Now select both of these lines and make relation perpendicular. Now connect these lines. select both of these lines and make relation perpendicular. Now define them. Distance from this line to this line is 5 millimeter. Now go to features tab and select extruded cut command. Drag this arrow, press OK button. We need two more cuts, one cut here and one cut here. So for that, sketch on this face, make normal to and draw a circle. For construction geometry, press OK button and again select center line. Now trim it. Once more center line to the quadrant and so on. Now select both of these center lines and make relation collinear. After that, select midpoint line, draw it, one more midpoint line on this point. Now select both of these lines and make relation parallel. After that, select both of these lines and make relation perpendicular. Now again select both of these lines and make relation equal. Now join these points. Define them 5 millimeter. Press OK button and go to features tab, then select extruded cut command. Press OK button. Now select circular pattern command and select this extruded cut. Now pattern axis, select this circular edge. We need quantity 3, but we have to skip this instance. So for that, scroll down and then click here instances to skip, and now select this point to skip this instance. Press OK button. So our collet catcher is ready for manufacturing. Thanks for watching and sparing time. And don't forget to subscribe this channel.